ups a beer.
Did you ever see the chick out there?
The what? The broad again? Yeah. No, I haven't. I seen her one day, that was it. What was her name? Yeah.
Karen.
You're a bit hung up on her, aren't you?
We're going to have somebody to think about it, don't we? Can't do it with nothing.
What about that? That's an interesting. I wonder what it's so much more concave where we didn't use flux.
Yeah.
What are you here looking at?
I don't know what's going. It probably doesn't. It probably doesn't wet quite as good as it does with.
I wonder if it's brittle as well.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Because it looks much more uniform. Is this a new form of welding we've just discovered? Hercules.
Takes everything I got.
I would have helped, really.
I know you would. I just had to see if I could do it. Hold on. You never know what's going to happen. As high as we can get, huh? You and Steve do like to take photos, though.
Well, you know, I do it for my website because everything's a lot of time and effort. It's nice to record it, right?
I had a guy come in to me about shit when I first opened up there in the late 70s, and he was telling me, yeah, man, you just have yourself a library of videos, and you want, to do a chimney cap, and then you put the video in, and the whippersnapper, he watches it, and he knows how to make a chimney cap. There is a good idea there, but I don't know anybody that's ever instituted a system like that and made it work. Okay, so we should finish this thing off?
Yes, sir, please. Can you handle that?
I think I could. Excuse me, Neil. Run it down to the 3. Still pretty damn high.
You got? Want me to fuck around with it a bit more?
I gotta get it. No, I just flexed it.
That's too small.
Too much heat.
Too much heat, what? Multiplaz is awesome. This is a Multiplaz, right? This is a great machine. I want one of these in my arsenal. Don't you? Well, you have one already.
I'm not so sure.
I think it's a good purchase. I think it is. I mean, just for the sheer research and development side of things.
Yeah, you might be able to find some things you couldn't do any other way. This, for instance.
Say that again.
You might find some things you couldn't do any other way.
Yeah, you know, it's like the cast iron welding. It makes a lot of promises about that cast iron welding. I'm at the school of the thought where you need there's no actual welding of cast iron. It's purely superficial, even with the preheat and post heat.
Yeah, well, there's something to be said for not heat affecting too large of an area.
Say that one more time.
To have too large of an area, heat affected area.
Yeah, HAZ.
Then when
Heat
it
affected
cools
zone.
down,
Yeah, absolutely.
cools down, you get uneven expansion, contraction, and you get forces set up that then the weld's got to deal with them.
My man right here. Emmett the Cool. I'm sure he's an Irishman, really. Just in disguise.
Oh, there's a little Irish in there.
He got the Irish Wellington boots anyway, I'll tell you that much.
Okay, I think we're good.
I think we're good too. Job done, job's a winner.